This is Amazon Fire HD 10, and today I would like to show how you can check how much internal storage you have on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings and then simply enter the storage category. And at the Manage Storage page, you can see how much internal storage you have in total, how much of it is currently occupied, or, well, how much of it is free respectively. Which is in my case, I have a total of 26.45 gigabytes of phone memory or internal storage, and currently just a little shy of 2 gigabytes of it is taken, and I have 24.58 gigabytes of free space or a free memory on my tablet. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this simple video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.